Hello my people, hope you guys are doing well today. It's another trading day and I'm still on my GBPCHF. I'm a born swing trader. I'm a sophisticated investor and a hardcore margin trader, but I choose to put aside the hardcore margin trading strategy and focus more on an investment kind of trading. And from what you can see here on my screen, you can see that I'm still holding on to the GBPCHF. And I just want to show you guys a simple analysis that you can use to trade even as a beginner. Look at this. This is what's called the the lower high, sorry. This point here. And this is another lower high. Now, I want you to understand something about the market. The Forex market is a total repetition of what has been done in the past. The market repeats itself, pattern after pattern. The question now is, why do people still fail? People fail because they are impatient with the market. Yes. People fail because of greed. People fail because of fear. So these are just common reasons why you might end up losing your money if you're trading the Forex market. So from what we have here, you can see we have the first height. And it just didn't stop there. The market pulled down, went down, and then it retraced again. This red candle here, as I always told you, is an imbalance candle. And then it retraced, got to this spot again. You can see this region. Gave us another word, lower high. And then went down again and retraced and come down to this spot and gave us what? Another word, lower high. So what do you think will happen if I said that the market is a repetition of what is done in the past? In other words, I believe that this will be a more deeper low. It will scale lower, considering the fact that it formed a double top here, as you can see. But it will go lower, to drop down more, and the profit will be extremely much. Now, I just want to explain that for you. Based on Elliott wave, we've got the first wave, and then we have the correction of the wave, and then we have the second wave, and then we have the correction of that, and the third wave now will be the most outstanding wave, where the real profit lies. That's based on Elliott wave strategy, right? Good. Now, long story cut short, let's do a top-down analysis and see what the daily candle is saying. Now, this is the daily candle, and from what we have, you can see that I was close to hitting my take profit, and the market rejected it and went back. So most traders have their take profit around this region, and that is why you find out that the market didn't hit that spot. But for those who are patient, and then others also have their stop loss just above at the end of this green candle. And now this acted as a liquidity sweep. Since it then hit the TP, the expected TP, it went ahead to act as a liquidity sweep, sweeping up traders from the market. Now, we also have the red candle. Now there's a resumption in the trend. The trend keeps going down. Yes. So this now, we're expecting this red candle now to hit our take profit. This could take probably from now till Thursday, but we're going to stay put and watch the game as it rides. Remember, I told you this is what we have. Just trying to figure out. This is it. This is a lower high. Then we also have another lower high. Did you see that? Good. So this is what it is. This is what it is, guys. And we're expecting a bigger reaction in the market when it gets to this take profit region, this is where we will hand over for the day. So thank you so much for watching. Let me not bore you with too much talk on this video, but this is it. And soon enough, I'm going to be starting my trading classes. It is absolutely free. I just want to put things in place and share the level of knowledge that we've been able to achieve in the market. Trading is very simple, but it is a psychological game. Don't forget. Trading is very simple, but it is a psychological game. So it all depends on what you really want if you want to make it. This is we'll have approximately $59 to $60 in floating trade, but I'm not going to close it. I'm not going to close it until it hits my take profit. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and follow me for more content.